Good morning, children. We were reading our poem Character of a Happy Life. That is a didactic poem intended to teach us something. It is composed by Sir Henry Wotton, who inspires us into honesty, simplicity, faith, and carefreeness. The poem shows us the path of true happiness. There is a smooth flow from the beginning to the end. It is divided in 6 stanzas. The poem is completely easy to memorize. We find fine examples of oxymoron, metaphor, alliteration in the poem. And children, up to our last turn, we have read that describing the qualities of a truly happy man, the poet points out that such a man does not envy anybody. He does not have grudge against a person whose chance helps to make the progress or who becomes great by foul means. A happy man is not jealous of such persons. Some bad and wicked persons praise such a man but do harm to him in his absence. The happy man is open-hearted and fair in dealings. He knows well that false praise is harmful. He neglects the bad and unjust rules of the state or the government. He follows the rules of good conduct only. And see, children, now we will see this stanza. Who God doth late and early pray. Who is used for the happy man. God doth. Doth, as I have earlier told you, doth is used for does. Late and early. Write down the meanings. Late and early. Late and early means at every time. Means the person who prays God at every time. More of His grace. More of His का H जो है, this must be capital because this is used for God. More of His grace. Grace means, write down the meaning, mercy. Yes, mercy, or you can say divine influence. Then gifts. Gifts means blessings. To lend. Lend means to grant, या to bestow, या to give. So, the person who is happy, he always, at every time, he prays God. And what are his prayers? He prays for mercy or for divine influence of God, and gifts means for his blessings. Who entertains means welcome the harmless day. Who entertains, who always welcome the prayers, welcome the gifts, welcomes the blessings of the God for one and all. Means, in other words, the poet wants to say, this happy man prays not only for himself but he prays for each and every person with a well chosen means useful book of friend. He always lives enjoys the company of books of friend. Means whenever he gets time, he spends his time in the company of his best friend, that is his books. Now again I am revising. Describing the qualities of a happy man, the poet says that he prays to God every morning and evening, means at every time, and there is no element of selfishness or desire for personal benefit in his prayer. He worships him because he thinks that it is his duty to do so. Do you understand? He does not pray for asking any gifts, but he prays for the divine grace and mercy. He spends his time in the company of good friends. Good books are his companions. Whenever he has spare time to spend in the company of good friends, he enjoys the company of his books, and he devotes all his spare time to the study of good books. Do you understand? So children, now we have completed this stanza, and one more thing that I just want to remind you. During our holidays, yes, I have given you holiday homework, and I have told you that this must be utilized as your project work. So I hope now you have completed your project. So now from 1st onwards, from 1st September, आप लोगों ने जो अपना प्रोजेक्ट तैयार कर लिया है उसके फोटो ग्रुप पर सेंड करिए, और फ्रॉम 1st यानी कि 1st सितंबर को फ्रॉम रोल नंबर 1 to 5 इतने स्टूडेंट्स जिनके नाम आ रहे हैं रोल नंबर 1 to 5, ये पांचों लड़कियां प्रोजेक्ट के फोटो पोस्ट करेंगी। एक बात और है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कुछ बच्चों के पास अभी भी वो हॉलीडे होमवर्क नोट ही नहीं है, तो वो उसको पूरा कैसे करेंगे? अगर ऐसा है तो आप ग्रुप पे विद योर नेम लिख कर डालिए, मैं आपको दोबारा से आपका असाइनमेंट सेंड कर दूंगी। ओके, और आपकी पोएम अब कंप्लीट होने जा रही है, केवल एक ही स्टैंजा बचा है। तैयार रहिए, आपका टेक्स्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन वाला ही होना है। ओके चिल्ड्रेन।